What's up, Corvette Cruiser family? I am at the Capital City Old Car Club. They're having an event here in the capital city of Lansing. I'm here out just supporting. I got Black Beauty here. She's here. There's some people just looking at it and that. So I'm here. I'm going to try to find some Corvettes for you, but a lot of these are old cars. So I'll show you a couple of them, but I'm going to look for the Corvette job. Okay, fam, it didn't take me long. I am here, and guess what? Boom. Looked like we found a 1978 official pace car. Nice cars in mint condition. In mint condition here. Nice. So it didn't take me long to find some Corvettes out here. Just a few of them out here today. Okay, here it is, fam. Got a Stingray in the house. I love these vintage cars here. Got a Stingray in the house. Old school engine, carburetor. 1969 Stingray. I don't know what they call those pipes. Some people call them suicide pipes on the side. Beautiful blue. I love to know what the blue is. Looks like I got a 427 engine in it. So, yeah. Didn't take me long to find some vets out here, y'all. Didn't take me long at all. So, got another yellow one on the horizon. We'll go put that on the channel. Okay, guys, we got Jim here. Jim has a 2002. What do you say, Jim? 19,000 miles on it?
19,000.
19,000 miles. First owner, Jim?
Second.
Second owner. Okay, how long have you had it?
I've had it for 12 years.
Put that thing on the road.
He's gonna give it to me.
He's gonna. That's Jim's friend right there, y'all. He says he's gonna give it to Jim. All right, 2002. What did they call this yellow then, Jim? Do you know?
Millennium Yellow.
Millennium Yellow, fam. Millennium Yellow, fam. Beautiful. It's got it spec'd out nice. 350 horsepower. Got that LS1 engine in it. Looking good. Looking good. I'm trying to talk over that music back there, y'all. I don't have nothing to do with that music, but I'm trying to talk over it. Beautiful. 19,000 miles. We got to get Jim to drive this car sometimes, y'all. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm out here at this car show, and you can see all the various cars out here. But you can also understand that, hey, we're going to be in the midst of these cars. Here's another yellow one here. Okay, guys, this is Roger's car. This is a 2002. Yellow. Looking good. Just trying to stay out of everybody's way, y'all. It's looking good. 2002. Looks like you got a little custom work done on the hood. A little custom engine work done. 5.7 liter engine. Interior looks good, y'all. Yeah. He did have like red rings around his wheels. He must have took them off this year. I'll show you a couple other cars out here. It's a Thunderbird. But y'all know, man, it's a Corvette channel, so I'm looking for Corvettes out here. Found another one here. A lot of the old school vets out here today, you guys. A lot of the old school ones. This looks like a 1981. Yeah, that's what it is. 1981. Okay, fam, 1981. This is from the original who?
Original Mike Jones. Like, subscribe, and click that
Bell.
bell notification.
There you go. Okay, guys, that is it from the Capital City Old Car Club. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a little short video, but I just want to just kind of come out from time to time and support some other events besides just all Corvette events. But I did find some Corvettes for you. All right. Don't forget, you guys, like, subscribe, and click that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Take care.